This video is a quick snapshot of some of the opportunities available at Jack James and the type of students who would benefit from our programming. At Jack James High School, we recognize the unique and diverse learning needs of all of our students. Jack James staff are committed to providing students with a personalized learning experience that fosters individual growth and encourages an exploration of future employment and life opportunities. Jack James is a school of choice available to all students from all CBE areas.
Students at Jack James can get a high school diploma or a high school certificate. At our school, you don't need to have any work experience to receive the high school certificate, as we offer workplace experience in many of our career and technology shop classes that are offered on site. Many programs at SAIT do not require a full high school diploma, which allows the flexibility of students achieving their certificate and only taking diploma level courses that are the prerequisites for the programs that they want to attend.
When you're looking around your grade 9 classes, the students that we believe would be a great fit for Jack James and would find success here are ones who would benefit from hands-on learning and from having a smaller class size. Teachers really get to know each and every one of their students because our class sizes are much smaller and our school is smaller as a whole. Students who are struggling academically in your grade 9 courses and are unable to keep up with their peers are ones who would benefit from coming here. Since we do offer K&E level courses, we also offer diploma courses, so students are able to transition between the streams. Students who want to explore the trades and attend SAIT would benefit from coming here since we do offer a great CTS program. Not necessarily all the time, but students who may be transitioning from a specialized program sometimes find success in our programming. This could be a program like L&L, PLP, the class, and students who struggle with their learning due to gaps, interruptions, disabilities, or learning styles.
Here at Jack James High School, we offer a wide variety of CTS and K&E vocational courses.
Students who participate in these courses gain valuable skills to help prepare them for post-secondary opportunities or joining the workforce. For example, programs such as Autobody, construction, electrical and plumbing, and commercial foods all can lead directly into programs at SAIT. We also have courses in horticulture, art, comm-tech, animation and design, childcare, and fashion, among other great courses that can lead to future education and career opportunities. In our construction program, we have partnered with Abbey Homes so that students can learn industry skills while framing a real house. This program provides students with the opportunity to truly experience what it would be like to work on an actual job site and acquire valuable employability skills.
We help connect students to real-world experiences beyond making arrangements with employers for students to earn work experience credits or helping students apply for registered apprenticeship programs. We help students understand what being employable is really all about. During our program called Turning Points, Jack James students spend a day at welding at SAIT, making metal projects, or a day in SAIT carpentry, making wood products, or in a tech lab, designing something 3D for them to print, or at the aviation campus riveting airplanes, or at the high crane campus moving giant I-beams with digitally enhanced equipment. But more importantly, students complete SAIT's Prep 100, which is basically a learning strategies course, and it demystifies all of post-secondary and makes kids feel like they could be successful SAIT students. We also have a partnership with Clifton Manor's Seniors Residence. Opening Minds Through Art pairs students with seniors to create weekly art projects and has led students to health, culinary, and landscaping-based jobs.
As the Indigenous Ed Strategist, I offer a space to kids and staff alike to come into this space, my room. Kids smudge every day. Some kids come here and they smudge as soon as they get to school. Some kids smudge just kind of on an as-needed basis. This room is available for all kids. It's a safe space. We run the GSA out of this room. Kids sometimes come in here to bead at lunch. It's just a safe space for all kids to come and to be valued and welcome. One of the things that we do here at Jack James that I'm really proud of and that's really special is that our admin and the learning leader team puts in our budget money every single year to pay towards elders coming in and working with kids. And so that can be tea ceremonies with Elder Carrie Moore. It can be time out on the land with various different elders, men's drum group with the turning robes. And so we do recognize the importance of having elders share teachings with kids and having kids be able to see themselves in the learning that happens here at the school.
We have all the programs that are run elsewhere, and teams, we have a no-cut policy. Also, if we have teams that the students want to, we then send them over to Forest Lawn and they continue on there for as long as they like. Physical education, we have the same activities as everyone else and then some. We also have intramurals that goes every day at lunch.
When I think about Indigenous kids and all kids who are successful at Jack James, I think of all kids. Any kid could find success here at Jack James High School. We truly are a learning community. A kid could go anywhere in the building and be known by the teachers there because we are such a small school. The hallways are never packed because we're a small school, so kids who might have some anxiety or some struggles around crowded hallways or crowded classrooms or too many people being around, that trouble's alleviated here because we don't have that issue here. The halls are never packed. In terms of Indigenous students and why they find success here, it's relationships. You know, our teachers are masters of building relationships with kids, and they really truly do care about every kid that comes into our building, and building a relationship and getting to know that kid and what works best for that kid and what doesn't work for that kid, and then how we can work towards success. We do many different events around the school that are both Indigenous and non-Indigenous events, and everybody is welcome. Everybody feels a sense of belonging, I think, in all places in this building. While my job here is the Indigenous Ed Strategist, I work with all kids, and many of my Indigenous kids, I'm not the first person they go to. They go to a trusted teacher or a guidance counselor or one of our administration that they really have built a close relationship with, and that's why we're such a special school and why we have so much success with Indigenous kids and with kids who sometimes struggle to learn because relationships are key, and that's what we do well here.
Now that you have watched our video and learned a bit more about our programming, I want to just take a moment to provide you with our contact information so that you're able to contact us if you have any students that you think might be a good fit, or if you're unsure if they would be a good fit. We can talk more about the transition process and how they can apply, as we do take students from every CBE area. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.